In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off McAfee notifications. If you're seeing frequent pop-up alerts on your computer and you want a quieter, less distracting experience, this is a simple setting you can adjust directly inside the McAfee app. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To get started, open the McAfee application on your computer. You can usually do this in one of two ways. The first option is to open it from your desktop if you have a McAfee shortcut there. The second option is to look in your system tray, which is the area in the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock. If you don't immediately see the McAfee icon, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find it, open the application. After McAfee is open, look for the navigation option. In some versions of the app, this may appear as a gear icon instead. Both lead you to the settings area, so use whichever one you see on your screen. From there, select General Settings and Alerts. This is where McAfee stores a variety of notification and alert preferences. Inside that section, you'll want to find Informational Alerts and General Alerts. These categories control the routine notifications that McAfee shows, such as status messages and other non-critical alerts. Expand each of these sections so you can view all of the available notification options. Now go through the notification boxes under Informational Alerts and General Alerts and uncheck all of them. This will disable those pop-up notifications so they no longer appear on your screen. Be careful to only change the boxes in these sections, especially if you want to avoid affecting other security-related settings. Taking a moment to review what you're unchecking can help make sure you're only turning off the alerts you no longer want to see. Once all of the boxes are unchecked, click Apply to save your changes. This is an important final step, because your new settings won't take effect until they're applied. After that, you can close the McAfee window. Your notification settings should now be updated, and you should notice fewer interruptions from the software during regular computer use. That's all there is to it. This is a quick adjustment, but it can make your desktop feel much less cluttered and distracting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.